From the rolling hills of Lawrence County, Tennessee, this is Hoyt's Kitchen with Hoyt and Susie Tidwell.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Hoyt's Kitchen. This afternoon we're going to make a lemon icebox or lime icebox, either one that you would like. Today we're going to do a lemon icebox. So I'm going to wash my hands and get my hands good and clean. It takes four. It takes 4 items for this lemon icebox pie. It takes 2/3 cups of lemon juice or lime juice. Oh, wee. 2/3 cups of lemon juice.
What'd you do?
The thing pinched me some way. But anyway, we put the lemon juice in there. Then it takes 1 can of condensed.
Let's see the can.
Huh?
Let's see the can. Sweetened condensed.
Sweetened condensed, yeah. Sweetened condensed milk. And we're gonna, I made a mess with that
Lemon juice.
But we're gonna clean the rest of this out of here. I want to say hello to Clayton Burnell down in
and
Ardmore.
Marshall.
Huh?
And Marshall.
And Marshall, yes.
We had dinner with him last night. This guy used to play with Charlie Pride. He's played with several different.
He's a professional
banjo and guitar player. But we had dinner with him last night, and this guy is a hoot.
He is a hoot. All right. We're going to mix this up. This recipe is not, I repeat, is not in my cookbook.
You probably need to say that.
It is not in my cookbook, volume 1, but it will probably be in the volume 2 cookbook. I was shopping at the grocery store the other day, and this lady was coming through there. She heard me talk about me cooking, and she said, if you want something quick and easy, and I gave her a business card, and she wrote it on a business card on the back. So,
don't you mix all that together with the Cool Whip?
Do what, honey?
Don't you mix all that together with the Cool Whip?
No, the Cool Whip goes on top. I would think. So you think the Cool Whip mixes up?
I would think it was made like that Kool-Aid pie. In the Kool-Aid pie mixed in with the...
We're gonna try it. We're gonna do it. She didn't. I thought it went on top, but Susie thinks it goes in here, so we're gonna...
Well, now Susie's not the cook.
Well, I mean, you told me to, so I'm gonna do it. I mean,
No, I didn't tell you to.
oh yeah, you said that's the way it goes.
No, I didn't. I just said...
Yeah, you don't that go in there? I said, I thought it went on top. But anyway, it too late now. It's in there. So
Well,
we're gonna mix it up.
I mean, didn't the...
Well, I just assumed, I guess.
Didn't the Kool-Aid pie go like that?
Honey, this is not even like the Kool-Aid pie.
Well, I know, but I mean, I was just saying.
Well, it's gonna be good either way. I mean, I just, yeah, I guess it's right. It looks right. Well, I guess we're right there. I guess you're right. I guess I just, anyway, I guess two heads are better than one, huh? And we're gonna, then it says pour in the pie shell.
Graham cracker.
So we're gonna pour it in the pie shell.
Does it have a good lemony taste to it?
Well, get your taste of it. See if it's got a lemony taste to it.
Mm-hmm, it does.
I'd say it does.
Mm-hmm.
But well, I'm glad she straightened me out on this pie, man. We would have, yeah, this looks better than it would have been just poured in there for sure. But how this lady didn't say, you know, Jewel Beckman got the same recipe, and so next time I see Jewel, I'll ask her if she's made it. You know what we're gonna do with this, Mom? We're gonna take this
To the school?
no, to the radio station in the morning.
Oh, okay.
We're going to the radio station in the morning and see Mr. Ben,
Well, today's his birthday.
and I'll just make his pie for his birthday. Well, what do you think? You want to read you a scripture while I'm smoothing this out?
Sure. At that time, we were without Christ, excluded from the citizenship of Israel. And that's in Ephesians 2:12. It actually isn't the one that I was thinking about reading. That was just today's verse. The one I was thinking about was in Luke. His mercy is for those who fear him from generation to generation. And that's in Luke 1:50.
All right, folks. What do you think?
I think it really looks good.
But we're gonna, it says, then put it in the refrigerator and chill. So, I mean, that's it. Are we gonna, no, we ain't gonna.
No, we won't cut it since it's going somewhere else.
We'll just say, keep watching and I'll keep cooking. Make you a lemon icebox or a lime icebox pie. Keep watching, I'll keep cooking. God bless.